start in Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim, Mr. Roger and Mia Salim Saab, Lashari Saab, the Troika of Third World Solidarity, they are here and hosting our program. And I would like to say a few things in English. As Lashari Saab and Mia Salim Saab, elaborated very rightly. And Lashari Saab said he has first time he has written some notes of his speech. 13th of August 1966, Mr. Bhutto, he was delivering a speech in the Convoy Hall within the All Pakistan Student Federation. And everybody was keen to know about Tashkent and why he left government. And he said, I'm sitting here out of Pakistan. I'm not going to talk about my internal matters here. That's it. That is Bhutto. And now you can see how Pakistan is in the new people. And he always taught about discipline, history, and friendship. There were a few questions that usually when he used to speak, he used to say questions and answer himself. He said, "Why should I be? Will be enemy of India? We see each other's face every day. So we are neighbors. So nobody can change us. We see everyone's face each other. So we are not anti-Indian, and I'm not anti-Britain as well. But at the same time, we got the right to have atom bomb in our Pakistan because Indian government is threatening us that they have got big army and all those things. No matter, but we'll be equipped differently." And there were students sitting there, they were thinking that Bhutto would be saying, something else against different countries. And he was, he was talking, Africa, Europe, African countries fighting against each other. Algeria was given self-determination, and why Kashmir is not given, this right. And this is the undone agenda of Britain. So when he talks, as Lashari Saab, gave one example of Kennedy, so, people were afraid of having vocabulary, the way Mr. Bhutto was having words, history, and knowledge. And why we talk about Bhutto now, since, he's gone in 1979, because he is not a history. Whenever we talk about in Pakistan, the current situation, Bhutto comes automatically. Oh, this was Bhutto, he was saying this. Afghanistan, we are having intervention from there, terrorism, and Bhutto said that was my wish. One of the three wishes he had that he wanted to settle some peace agreement with Afghanistan, and no, still we are being haunted. And look at the recent development in Bangladesh. Bengalis, they burnt and broken their father of the nation, Mujibur Rahman's statue, but it never happened in Pakistan about Bhutto. It never happened about Mr. Bhutto, and even opponents, they regard highly Mr. Bhutto, that he was the leader of the, as Lashari Saab said, he's a leader of world. I think he's a leader of all continents. He is popular everywhere. When Pakistan was broken and he was given the government 20th of December 1971, Pakistan was having nothing in their hand, nothing in their kitty, and there was no money to pay salary and wages to government servants on 1st of January, like 2 weeks time. There was no money in the kitty. And there comes an official statement by Colonel Gaddafi. And look, Bhutto was not Prime Minister before that. Colonel Gaddafi said, Pakistan can buy from pin to plane, and I will pay the hard cash. Look how he was regarded in the world, even in Africa. And he did it for Pakistan, Colonel Gaddafi. He never stepped back. तो अभी मैं थोड़ा सा उर्दू में भी बात करता हूँ क्योंकि बेसिकली पीपल्स पार्टी वाज बेस्ड ऑन कश्मीर इशू. Tashkent was about Kashmir, and after that, Bhutto Sahab left his government and he formed a democratic party, which is Pakistan People's Party. So the base was Kashmir. Again, when he made atomic bomb, it was based on issue with India, and it was our self-defense. So he made atom bomb on the issue of Kashmir. मैं एक कमरी साहब भी बैठे, काफ़ी कश्मीरी यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं, तो मैं ये बताऊँगा भुट्टो साहब की स्पीच थी बंजोसा में सितंबर 1976 में, और एक दिन पहले वो मुजफ्फराबाद में बोल चुके थे, और उन्होंने फिर कहा कश्मीरियों को, देखिए एक सिंधी है, गांव से उठ के आया है जनाब, क्या उन्हें, और फिर ये जो मैं अभी बात कर रहा था पहले, भुट्टो साहब ने कहा कि I don't need to have any notes because you are sophisticated people. When he was speaking here in Conway Hall, he said, but if I was in Ladkana, then I might have made some notes. That's different story. भुट्टो साहब ने कश्मीरी उस अवाम को कहा कि देखें, आपके फैसले, आपके बारे में जो बातें हैं, वो पहले एक सेक्रेटरी लेवल, सेक्रेटरी से भी नीचे वो आपके फैसले किया करता है, और मुझे पता है कि आपका प्रेसिडेंट ये वो किस तरह बनते थे, इंटरवेंशन होती थी, आपके वो इख्तियारात नहीं थे पाकिस्तान में, और हमने कौंसिल बना दी, आपके फैसले आप ही किया करेंगे, हम वहाँ बैठ के इस्लामाबाद में आपके फैसले कर सकते हैं, लेकिन मैं खुद क्यों आया हूँ वहाँ बात करने में, और अवाम में आके अवामी पल्स जो है ना वो चेक करने में, इट्स अ हेल ऑफ डिफरेंस। तो ये दो चीज़ें भुट्टो साहब को एक तो यूनिक करती हैं कि वो एक ऐसे अवामी लीडर थे कि जिन्होंने अपनी, ही निगेटेड हिमसेल्फ because he was from a feudal community, but he talked about and he even died for poor people of Pakistan. तो अपने आप को निगेट करना कि मैं एक बड़ा फ्यूडल हूँ और बात करनी गरीब